How to transfer money from GCash to PalawanPay. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money from GCash to PalawanPay. Well, to transfer money from GCash to PalawanPay, simply first open up the GCash app. Now here, you want to open it up and you want to log into the account, right? So let me open it up real quick. Once you open up, you want to navigate to transfer or send money option. So once you have navigated to transfer or send money option on the dashboard, you want to select or choose bank transfer from the available options. Once you choose so, you want to go ahead and enter in, select the logo of PalawanPay first and then search it from the list of partner banks. Then enter the amount you want to transfer, enter the recipient's account name and account number, usually the recipient's phone number, and review and confirm it, and your transaction will be successful. It's as easy as it is. So this is how you can transfer money from GCash to PalawanPay. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.